Today we're making a modern classic cocktail, the Kentucky Buck. To start off, we're going to take 2 strawberries that are all cut up, put them into our shaker tin, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to muddle those. Pulverized.
I thought you didn't want to pulverize them.
Too late. Pulverized.
Oh, okay.
Aggression. Rawr.
Extra juice.
We're going to take 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. I just feel everywhere.
Keep going.
No, it's on my arm. Remember what happens?
Yep.
It attracts ants.
Well, oh no. The ants again.
It's the ants again. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. Then we are going to use, where's my shaker here? We're going to use 0.75 ounces of fresh squeezed lemon juice, half an ounce of simple syrup, and then 2 ounces of your favorite brand of bourbon. Beautiful. All right, we're going to go ahead. We're going to add ice to our shaker tin. We're going to shake for about 10 to 15 seconds or until it's ice cold in our hand. My cameraman needs Jesus. All right. There's going to be a decent amount of pulp in there because we muddled those strawberries. So we are going to double strain this guy. I've run out of ice. Please pause. And voila.
Like a magician.
Like a magician.
Ice out of thin air.
State Farm is there.
What? This is not a product placement.
I don't even know. Anywho, I don't even have State Farm.
Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there with ice.
I've had a few too many cocktails today, apparently. All right, so we are going to double strain over our ice. I can already tell we're starting to get pulpy. Ooh!
Whoa!
Nobody saw that.
Contaminants.
Nobody saw that. All right.
Ooh, she cheating.
I ain't cheating. Shush. All right. Now we're going to top with approximately 3 ounces of ginger beer. All right. And then, of course, to garnish, we're going to take a very thick lemon wheel.
Welcome, Kentucky Buck.
Kentucky Buck.
That's a buck wheel right there.
Wow! And then a strawberry for the rim. And there we have our Kentucky Buck. As always, I am going to taste the cocktail. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'm going to rate it from 1 being I will only have 1 cocktail, move on to the next. 5 being I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. Excuse me. I am going to take my lemon wheel out of here just so I don't injure myself. And then I'm going to give it just a stir just because I know that ginger beer is kind of hanging out there on the top. Get her nice and incorporated. Okay. Cheers. Oh, interesting. Oh, I could get behind that all day, every day. So you do taste a decent amount of the ginger beer, even though we stirred it into the cocktail. It's not as bourbon forward as I was expecting. And the strawberry is not super overwhelming either, which that could also just be my strawberries. I don't know. But I mean, the strawberry flavor is there. It's just not like slap you in the face strawberry. It's lightly fruity, not over the top fruity. This is a very good cocktail. It's very refreshing.
Question. how does it
Which
compare
bear
to
is
which
best?
bear is best? Which berry is best? No, how does it compare to a mule? Moscow mule.
I would say comparing it to a Moscow mule is definitely it's similar but different. Just because most mules, if you're going to use a fruit, they typically go with a Moscow rather than a Kentucky mule to incorporate fruit. So that's kind of where the big difference is. But I mean, it's similar but different. I feel like this is more fruity and more fruit forward than a mule would be, and the ginger is not as prominent. The ginger beer, anyway. That's just kind of my 2 cents on it. But for me, out of 5, I think I gotta go 4 out of 5 on this one. This one's really easy to drink. It's fruity, but you still, if you're a bourbon lover, you get that bourbon. It's delicious. I think I'm gonna be making this stuff all summer long. Anyway, cocktail recipe is going to be listed down below. That way you can make this cocktail right in your own home. And then, whether you do or don't, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys at the next pour. Cheers.